Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial. My student Angel, hi, and I will going to have lesson number 86 for today. But before that, she have to say first our keywords. So what are our keywords? Reading is fun. Okay, since reading is fun, let's get started. So for task number 1, I have here capital letters. So what kind of letters is this? Capitals. Okay, capitals. Now, I want you to touch each capitals and say its name, starting with capital A. Capital A. Capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Okay, good. Now for our next task, the name of the letter Q tells you the letter that always comes after the Q. That letter is U. Now, you can hear the U in the name of the letter Q. The U that comes after Q doesn't make any sound. So, for example, the letters Q and U make the sound quick. Quick. Again, what sound does Q and U make? They make the sound quick. Okay. Now, let's try to sound out these words. Quick. Quick. Again, what is the word? Quick. Okay. Next word. Quit. Quit. Again, what is the word? Quit. Okay. Next word we have quitting. Quitting. Again, what is the word? Quitting. Okay. Have to read these words fast. Quick. Quit. Quitting. Okay. Now for our next task, we have here words. Now you're going to read these words fast. Starting from here. This word. Begin, holes, yard, gold, holes, gold, mud, reach, where. Again. Begin, louder. Holes, yard, gold, hole, gold, mud, reach, where. Okay, now for our task number 4, we're going to read. So again, let's begin the story. The dog that dog. So the title of the story is The Dog That Dog. So what is the title of the story? The Dog That Dog. Okay, now, an old dog liked to dig. Okay, an old dog liked to dig. A girl and a boy had a dog that came from a farm. Again? A girl and a boy had a dog that came from a farm. That dog had to leave the farm for digging holes. That dog had to leave the farm for digging holes. But now the dog was digging holes in the yard. Now the dog was digging holes in the yard. The boy told the girl to get hold of that dog. The boy told the girl to get hold of that dog. The girl got hold of the dog's tail. Then the girl looked in the hole. The girl got hold of the dog's tail. Then the girl looked in the hole. She said, "Take a look in that hole." She said, "Take a look in that hole." The boy took a look. Then she said, "Do I see gold in that hole?" The boy took a look. Then he said, "Do I see gold in that hole?" The girl said, "Yes, that dog has dug up a lot of gold." The girl said, yes, that dog has dug up a lot of gold. So the boy and the girl took the gold from the hole. So the boy and the girl took the gold from the hole. They let the dog dig some more. They let the dog dig some more. And the dog dug up more gold. And the dog dug up more gold. Now the boy and the girl are not mad at digging dog. Now the boy and the girl are not mad at me digging at the digging dog. They like that dog. They like that dog. They are rich and the dog is rich too. They are rich and the dog is rich too. The dog has 5 yards to dig in. The dog has 5 yards to dig in. This is the end. This is the end. Okay, now for the second reading, task number 6. So we will going to read the story again, but this time ask questions. So the dog that dog. So the title of the story is The Dog That Dog. Okay. A girl and a boy had a dog that came from a farm. That dog had to leave the farm for digging holes. But now the dog was digging holes in the yard. The boy told the girl to get hold of that dog. The girl got hold of the dog's tail. Then the girl looked in the hole. She said, take a look in that hole. The boy took a look. Then he said, do I see gold in that hole? Now, my question is, what was in the bottom of the hole? What was in the bottom of the hole? Gold. Okay, gold. Now, let's continue. The girl said, yes, that dog has dug up a lot of gold. So the boy and the girl took the gold from the hole. They let the dog dig some more, and the dog dug up more gold. Now for the second question, what did the dog dig up? The dog dig up what? More gold. Okay, that's a pretty good dog. Now let's continue. Now the boy and the girl are not mad at the digging dog. They like that dog. They are rich and the dog is rich too. Now, why is the dog rich? The dog is rich because the dog dug up more gold. Okay, now let's continue the story. The dog has 5 yards to dig in. Now, my last question. Do you think that dog is happy now? Yes. Yes, of course, because the dog is rich too, like the boy and the girl. Okay, now let's proceed to our picture comprehension. So I have here a picture now. I want you to look at the picture. This picture. Now, what is that dog digging? The dog is digging golds. Now, how do the boy and the girl feel? Happy. Of course, the dog is digging up lots of gold. So the boy and the girl were very happy. Okay, now, how would you feel if you had all that gold? Would you be happy like the girl and the boy? Yes. Of course, me too. Now, if that dog doesn't stop digging, there will be gold all over the yard. Okay, now for our last task. So you have to write this 2 sounds. So the first sound is B. Again, what is the first sound? B. The second sound is, again, Z. The second sound is, so you have to write it down. That's the last part of our lesson for today. Okay, good. Now, that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something. Did you learn something? Yes. Okay, see you on another lesson. Bye-bye.